Okay, students. So the characteristics of human activities are clear. So let's move on to the types of human activities. As in our economics class, I have explained you that there are two types of human activities: economic activity or non-economic activity. We can call it the economic activity is also known as commercial activities, and non-economic activity is also known as non-commercial activities. So first of all, we will again understand the meaning of economic or commercial activity in detail, and then we will understand the meaning of non-economic activities in detail with examples. Okay, so let's move on to the meaning of economic activities or commercial activities. So what I have told you before, that economic activities are done, it is undertaken with the main motive of earning money. Okay, when we want to earn money, when we want to create wealth, okay, to earn money and to create wealth. So economic activity is done with the motive. It is the motive of doing economic activity is to earn money or create wealth. Okay, by doing this economic activity, what is the result? The motive is to earn money and create wealth. What is the result after doing this economic activity? The result is we produce something to sell that and to earn money. We produce what? We produce production of economic goods. As I have told you in my economics class, the same thing is over here. What is the motive behind doing economic activity? Our motive is to earn money or create wealth by doing economic activity. What is the result, end result of this activity? We end up producing something. What that is something? That economic good. What is economic good, sir? Economic good means such goods which require money to buy, which you can't get for free. Okay, like this pen, this copy, you require money to buy these things. So any good which require money to buy is known as economic good. So while doing economic activity, we produce economic goods. Okay, the term goods and service comes together every time. Remember, don't just write goods. Whenever you write this, we write goods and service. We produce goods, economic goods and service, like the service which I am giving you. It is not for free. I am charging fees for that, right? So we are producing some economic service also. So economic activities result is the production of economic goods or economic service. Okay, so economic activity, the meaning is clear. Let's take some examples to make it more clear. Can anyone tell me? Do you know any example about this? Yes, I have already explained. I have given you lot of example. Any one example? Like me, I am a teacher. So when a teacher teaches his students in a school, if a teacher is teaching in a school, then I am charging money. But if I am teaching my own brother or sister, I will not charge any money from them. I will do it for my personal satisfaction. But if I am teaching in school, then I will get salary. Similarly, when you get fever, you visit a doctor. The doctor charge his fees. Whenever you go to a shop to buy something, do you get it for free? Buying goods from a shop? No, sir. I need to pay for that goods. The shopkeeper does not give it to me for free because he is not my uncle. Okay? Any more example? Yes, there are a lot of example in real life. Like I have told you about that nurse. Do you remember that? When a nurse works in a hospital, when a nurse works in a hospital, she gets salary from there. But if the same nurse treat her ill mother, she does not charge any fees from her mother. She does it for free because she loves her mother. Okay, students? Characteristics, features, or nature all means the same. Okay, so if the question comes, write the characteristics or the features or the nature, it's all the same. Okay, the meaning are same. So the first characteristics of economic activity is economic motive. Economic motive. Motive means your intention. Why do we do economic activity? The main motive behind doing any economic activity is to earn money and create wealth. Okay? So it is done to gain some money. Why do we earn money? To live our life, so that we can get what we want. Why I am serving? So that I can get salary, I can satisfy my own wants. Similarly, every person, not only you and me, every person who does economic activity to earn money, they do it to satisfy their own wants with the help of that money. Okay. The second feature of economic activities is production. As I have told you, production of economic goods and service. That means the result of doing a economic activity is to produce some economic goods and service. We produce that goods and then we exchange that goods and service with whom? Those who want that. Why does that person want my good? To satisfy their want. And what do I get from him? I get money in return. With the help of that money, I will satisfy my wants. So each one of us depends upon each other. We are social animal. We can't live alone. So we depend upon another person for some things, for some goods or some services. Okay. So this production thing, we produce economic goods and service. Thus it helps in the creation of wealth. The third features of economic activity is economic resources. Economic resources. What is economic resources? That means in order to produce something, we require raw material. That raw material is our resource. Whatever we require to produce something is our resource. Suppose my time. Time is also a resource. Money is also a resource, because with the help of money we buy raw materials. Land, the place where we do our business, where we do production activity, that land is also a resource. Okay, the labor, the worker who works in your factory is also a resource. So whatever is the input that we are putting in the production process is our resource. Basically the resources are land, labor and capital. Land, labor and capital. In short we can say that, but I have explained you. There are many other things which I have explained you. Okay. The fourth feature is rational use. What do you mean by that term rational use? Rational use means that we need to use our resources properly. We can't waste our resource, because our resources are scarce, very few. If we will keep on wasting it, a time will come that it will get over, it will get finished. We won't be able to use it for long if we are wasting any resource. So whenever you leave your classroom, always remember to switch off the lights and fans. Why do we do that? So that we save our resource. The electricity is also a resource. Okay, so we should take care of our resource and use it rationally. That means we should properly allocate the resource so that we can make maximum product from that resource. Okay, suppose there are two workers, one is very efficient and the other one is non-efficient. I have given same raw material to worker A and I have given the same amount of raw material to worker B. That worker A has produced 5 products from that resource, and that worker B only produced 3 products from that resource. So who is more efficient? Worker A, obviously, because he is not wasting any resource, but worker B is wasting the resource. That is why he is producing less product from the same resource, same raw material. Okay, so we need to use our resources in a proper manner. Okay, don't waste any resource. Okay, students, so the 5th characteristics of economic activity is economic growth. That means if we will do economic activity, we will earn money, we will create wealth. So same is for this for one person, and it is same for the society. Okay, so in a country, if there are lots of economic activity that is going on, then the development is also happening in that country. So the economic development of any country directly depends upon what? Economic growth. So it helps in economic development of a country. Okay, so it helps in the economic development of a country. Clear? And if the economic development will happen in a country, so in that country the standard of living of people will be much higher. People will be using a more comfort life. Okay, so the standard of living and the economic development of any country directly depends upon the economic activity. Clear? Next, legal and valid. Now what does it mean? As I have told you that we do a lots of activity. A human does a lot of activity. So in human activities, it is of various kind. The 2 kind I have told you. One was economic activity, other was non-economic activity. So the activity which a human being does for economic gain will be called economic activity only if it is legal and valid in the eye of the government. If you will do something illegal and you will earn money, you can't call it an economic activity. You will say, sir, but we are earning money, we are getting economic gain. Why it is not economic activity? I will tell you that, students, since it is illegal, that is why it is not economic activity. So in order to be called an economic activity, that human activity should be legal and valid in the eye of the government. Okay, any activity which is illegal, like if you gamble, okay, black marketing, you must have heard, someone is doing smuggling, these things are illegal in the eye of the government. And although you are getting economic gain, you are earning money, but still it will not be called an economic activity. Clear? Next, socially desirable. Desirable. Have you ever heard about this word desirable? Yeah. Desirable means what does we want? What does we desire? We desire for a lot of things. We desire for a good dress. We desire for ice cream, good food. We desire to play. Okay. So economic activity are those activity which a society desire. That means it is desirable by a society. That means the people living in society expect these things to happen. Okay, for their betterment. So any activity, any economic activity which you are doing to earn money, it should be according to the rules and regulation. It should follow the norms of the society. It should not be illegal. Okay, so if the society desires something to happen for their benefit, then that activity will be economic activity. If you are doing something which is harming the society and still you are earning money, then that it will not be called a economic activity.